In the heart of your home, the Sharp water filter replacement for the SJG 2254FS refrigerator stands as a silent guardian. A technological sentinel ensuring the purity of every drop you consume. It is the unseen hero, working tirelessly to transform ordinary tap water into a crystalline stream. Much like a meticulous sculptor refines a raw stone into a polished gem. This essential component acts as a gatekeeper, and it meticulously filters out unwanted impurities and contaminants, thereby preventing them from tainting your ice and water. Consequently, it guarantees that each sip is as clean and refreshing as a mountain spring. And it makes every glass a testament to its unparalleled efficiency. So, when the time comes to replace it, remember that you are not merely swapping out a part. Rather, you are renewing the very essence of your refrigerator's life-giving function. And you are upholding a standard of health and purity for your family. Furthermore, the Sharp water filter replacement is a beacon of innovation, a testament to the fact that the smallest parts often have the biggest impact. Indeed, it represents a bridge between your home's infrastructure and your personal well-being. And its advanced filtration technology is a marvel of modern engineering. Thus, it effectively captures chlorine, lead, and other harmful substances, and it leaves behind only the cleanest, crispest water imaginable. This process is akin to a masterful artist removing every flawed stroke from a canvas until only perfection remains. Moreover, this filter's design ensures a seamless and easy installation, so you can effortlessly maintain the superior quality you have come to expect. Likewise, the consistency it provides is unwavering, ensuring that your family will always have access to a safe and delicious hydration source. And this is a promise that Sharp fulfills with every single filter. Ultimately, the Sharp water filter replacement for the SJG 2254FS is more than just a component. It is a commitment to a healthier lifestyle, a silent pact between you and the quality of your water. Indeed, it is a reservoir of trust, and it operates with a quiet diligence that belies its immense importance. As a result, it works around the clock to ensure that every ice cube is crystal clear and every glass of water is perfectly balanced, much like a composer meticulously tunes each instrument to create a harmonious symphony. Therefore, replacing this filter is a simple yet profound act of self-care. And it confirms your dedication to providing the best for yourself and your loved ones. In conclusion, this Sharp water filter replacement is the very heart of your refrigerator's hydration system. And it ensures that the water you drink is not only safe but also truly exceptional, thereby elevating a daily necessity to an experience of pure refreshment. Pros: reduces chlorine taste, improves water clarity, reduces odors in water, easy to install. Durable and long-lasting, made to fit your fridge, ensures fresh-tasting water, keeps ice cubes clear, filters out contaminants, a good value for money, reliable and effective. Cons: may not be exact fit, filter life is limited, could affect water flow features. Reduces chlorine taste and odor, improves water quality, easy to install, designed for Sharp SJG 2254FS, long-lasting filter life, replacement water filter, original Sharp part, maintains clean drinking water, reduces contaminants, provides fresh, clean water. The Sharp replacement water filter for the SJG 2254FS is an original part designed to improve water quality by reducing chlorine taste and odor. This long-lasting filter is easy to install and maintains clean drinking water by reducing contaminants, providing fresh, clean water for your household. The Sharp replacement water filter for the SJG 2254FS is a reliable and effective product that Enhances the taste and clarity of your water and ice. It is easy to install, durable, and long-lasting. While designed to fit your fridge, some users may find it's not an exact fit, and its limited filter life may affect water flow. Despite these potential drawbacks, it is a good value for money and a dependable solution for filtering out contaminants and reducing chlorine taste and odors.